So Koreatown is really not much of a town. It's primarily one street, 32nd Street, also known as Korea Way, and it runs from 6th Avenue to Madison Avenue. Now, the Koreatown really does embellish a little bit more than just one street, but this is primarily where you will find the Korean shops, restaurants, super well known for karaoke. But I need to point out this building on the corner. It's the Martinique Hotel right now. It's just a beautiful building. Having work on it. So many details. A lot going on. Very busy here today. So next to the Martinique Hotel is the Stanford Hotel, which has also been here for a long time. A little bit about how this became Koreatown. Right after the Korean War, a lot of immigrants were leaving Korea at that time and coming to New York to work in the garment district. And one of the reasons that they were able to come during that time was because of the McCarran-Walter Act. It nullified a law that had made it illegal or prevented Asian people from coming here and becoming citizens. So once that was repealed during the war in 1952, then a lot of Koreans came over. Then in 1965, the Immigration and Naturalization Law, or Act rather, was revoked, and that eliminated the quotas of how many people could come from Asia. So there was a big flood of people that came during that time. And we're only about a block from, we're about 2 blocks east of the garment district. So a lot of small businesses started to pop up over on 32nd Street. A woman named Judith Chung was they say kind of the founder of the area, sort of the godmother of the area. Not in a mafia kind of way, but more in a grandmotherly kind of way. She started a department store originally called CC Pharmacy. And she welcomed all Koreans to come. She connected people. She was a person that they could come to for support and looking to start their own business. And I believe that was here at 39 West 32nd Street. And she ran that business for a long time. She also started a Korean broadcasting company and then a Korean realty company. So she was really helpful in setting up a lot of immigrants that were coming here. As we go down, H Mart is a popular Asian grocery store. So let's take a look. So if you're looking to buy Korean products, this is where you'll want to come. In fact, there's a book called Crying in H Mart. It's a memoir of growing up in Koreatown. No video? Okay. So they've asked us to leave. Thank you. So no filming in H Mart. But that's where you're going to find a lot of Korean goodies. Big grocery store. And so New York Times bestseller, Crying in H Mart. It's a memoir of growing up as a Korean American. I heard it's a really good book. Now, a lot of people come here for the restaurants, restaurant after restaurant, and Korean barbecue is the highlight of eating in Koreatown. It's also known as K-Town. The restaurants here are open late, so a lot of people will come after the bars. Bars are closing downtown. They'll come up here for late night food and karaoke. So on the upper floors are karaoke places, and you can rent your own room, have your own karaoke experience. I just want to stop and take a look at this building, because the detailing on this is incredible. It's currently the hotel at Fifth Avenue, though we are not on Fifth Avenue. And just peeking up at the top is the Empire State Building. You can see that. This is pretty incredible, the detailing on this building. A lot of times in New York, we're walking along, we're so busy where we're going that we forget to look up. Here's another vacant lot. I'm sure something huge will go up here. I just want to stand back and look at the juxtaposition between these old buildings and the new skyscrapers. And the old water towers. Look at the detailing on these buildings. So we'll continue on down to Madison Avenue and then turn around and see the other side of the street. Now this area is commercial. There's very few people that live here. There's going to be some people that live there, but the majority of the Korean population residential area is in Flushing, Queens. So if you head to Flushing, you'll see a lot of Korean signs there as well, and you can also experience a lot of Korean culture. And if you like these type of videos, please like and subscribe. Something about the algorithm helps the channel out. And if you have any questions about anything that you see on the streets of New York, please let me know, and I'll see if I can answer them for you. Or if there's anything that you want me to, anywhere you want me to go or show you, I'm happy to do that also. Very pretty flower shop. And we end our block with Five Guys, which is not very Korean at all. For a long time, New York City didn't have any of the franchises, and there were only a few like banks and drugstores. But Bloomberg, I guess it was during Bloomberg's day, they sort of let everybody come in. And I feel like at that time, New York became a lot more like everywhere else. So Madison Avenue is very high-end shopping, even down up this part. So let's take a look at this building up there. Incredible. So we have Luzani, Versace, Bentley. So the high-end furniture stores, especially the Italian ones, will be on this street. If I go even further east, the Design Center is on 32nd Street. So there's a lot of furniture in this area, a very big high-end design area. But we will head back, and then we're going to walk down Broadway to the East Village. I'm going to try and cross the street. So if you've been to Koreatown here and you have a favorite restaurant or a favorite place to get Korean barbecue, let me know what it is so I can check it out. I think when I've been here, it's been like, I can't remember which one I've been to. Usually very late at night, lots of friends. Korean barbecue is more of a feast than just a dish. The other place I'm looking for is Koro Bookstore, which is a bookstore that's been here also for a very long time, since the 70s. That sells Korean books, really promotes Korean culture. And I think it's on the next block. Now this is kind of interesting. This area is not for seating. We've got all of our delivery drivers waiting under this awning, and there's a lot of outlets. All right, take note. If I need to come charge anything, I can come 32nd Street. Let's take a look down Fifth Avenue.